Hey everybody, my name is Shivam, and in today's video I will be showing you how to make this origami firebender from the show Avatar. And this is part of a series in which I will be showing you how to make this earthbender, this airbender, and this waterbender. I'm really excited. Let's go. Alright. So what we need to do in order to make our firebender, which looks something like this from the back and from the front, we just start out with a regular sheet of square paper, preferably red. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is fold it into eighths. So we'll start by folding it in half like this. And crease. Next, we'll unfold it and fold the top and bottom edges to the center, the top and bottom. So that's one. And that's the second one. Now we're going to flip it over and fold the bottom edge to that crease that we had just made. Just like that. Now we're going to fold it back, and then we're going to fold up to that center crease. And we're going to keep doing so until we reach the top in order to have 8 equal portions. And last one. Alright, now I'll get a good crease on it and unfold. Now turn it to the side, just like this, and fold in half. We're not going to fold this side into eighths. We're just going to fold half of it into eighths. And crease, and now unfold. Now fold the bottom edge to the center. And now flip it over and fold the bottom edge to that crease that we had just made. And unfold. So now you flip it over and you fold that bottom edge to that bottommost crease. So we're on the side that has the smaller portions. Now fold it back and fold it over to that center crease. Now we're going to unfold it, and from the center crease we're going to fold it up to that top crease so that we have a little skinnier line in the middle, which is 1/16 of the whole page. Just like this. Now we're going to unfold and just fold that top layer down along that crease we just made. Now fold this in half. Now fold that top left corner to this crease right here. So I'm just going to bring it down like this. And we have a little point right here. This will later on be the hands. Now unfold. And we're going to make all of these little folds mountain folds. And this step is actually very important. Alright, now this step is a little tricky, so watch carefully. We're going to fold along this crease. So we're going to fold 2 layers up and 2 down. And we're going to fold 3 layers up and then 1 down. So we're going to start by flipping it over and fold the top right edge to the bottom left edge. And only crease the top left 2 corners right here. And crease. Okay. And now fold this bottom right edge to the center, and again only crease 2 units. Just like this. Now to strengthen this crease we can do a little squash fold here, and unfold. Now fold the bottom left edge to the center, and this time fold 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And crease. Now, rotate it and fold the top right edge to that little triangle right here that we had made earlier. And only crease 1 unit. And now squash this to again strengthen the fold. So now you should have something that looks like this. Now we're going to fold up and down, and we'll keep going until we reach the end. Just like this. Now the side that has 3 units should be faced to the left. So we should start with 2 units to the left. Just like this. Now we're going to strengthen that fold and make it a mountain fold. And with our finger, we're going to push behind right here. Now with our thumb, we're going to push this little triangular edge and make it a valley fold. So we have a little trapezoid and a triangle right here. Trapezoid and triangle. Now we repeat the same thing on the right side. So we're going to make this a mountain fold and then make the rest of it a half trapezoid actually. Now we're going to make this one a valley fold. And then we're just going to push in that triangle that we have left to the right. So it should look something like this. We have the mountain, mountain, valley, valley, mountain, mountain, valley. Right here. And now we just push it in. Now we bring this little long flap just down and up. Now we bring this, which will be the foot, we fold it up. And now right where that crease is, we fold that crease about 1/3 of the way down to its foot. So this top part should be equal to this bottom part. Now we'll fold this tip up to that crease right here. And this is the first foot. Now this back part you can choose to be a cape, but I'll make it a leg. So we'll fold up about 1/3 of the way. And then we'll fold that point up to that crease. Just like this. Right here. Now we'll fold this top part down ever so slightly, which will be the head. Alright, now we'll flip it over, just like this. And we'll open this up, and in that center mountain fold, you'll see a little square-like figure that we had made earlier. And you just want to stick your finger, just poke it, just like this. And now grab the other side and push it in. Just like this. So this is all we did. We just pushed it in. Now bring these top 2 flaps and fold them to that center. These will be the hands. And they should look like this. And now finally for the fire. We're going to flip it over. And we need to make these little prongs right here. So we're going to flip it over, and we're going to fold all of them triangularly down. So we'll fold them down just like this so that they form a triangle. And make sure to have really crisp triangles, because the fire needs to be strong and pointy. Now unfold all of them and push them in. So we're just going to squash them inwards. So we'll open it up and squash it. Open it up and squash it. Open, squash. Open and squash. And now we've got our little fire here. And now you can make 2 of them and have them battle. Now there's this other thing that I call a gusto, where basically we take its points and we open it up. So like we just open it up very much. And this one is called the 3 swords, the 3 pointed swords. Because when you open it up, it kind of looks like 3 swords. Right, 1, 2, 3 right here. And those 2 outer flaps are the outer edges. So this is what the gusto looks like. And I think it adds a bit more flavor to the bender. So here are our little firebenders right here. And maybe you could give them a little battle or so. Alrighty, so don't forget to click here to learn how to make the airbender, and here to learn how to make the waterbender. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.